Coleman. He seems to like linear paths. A lot of the company's marketing materials celebrate clearing the path to college and or career. But to my mind, some of what's valuable about liberal education in high school or in college is getting lost in complicated ideas and finding your way out of that confusion through research, writing, conversation, these really kind of messy experiences. So when curriculum is overly prescriptive, as I would argue it's becoming and has become, especially over the past 5 years, and when rubrics become checklists, students lose some freedom in developing expansive thoughts, right? Why write a 40-minute, 5 paragraph essay when you could write a research paper? That's a serious question. Why? Why is that the choice? And because so many students worry about college tuition and admissions, the cost of veering from these increasingly mechanical prescriptions can feel really high. And I want to think about what the costs are for adhering to them. So, a reductive, cynical approach to humanistic fields really bothers me because I think that there's value in the messiness.